Here's another KVM switch from Ultra. It's the GammaView 4050, a 4-port KVM allowing you to share one keyboard, one mouse, and one monitor with up to 4 computers. The 4050 features USB keyboard and mouse ports, VGA for your monitor, and a remote switch for choosing the active system. Setting up the KVM requires simply plugging in your keyboard and mouse into the USB ports and then plugging the USB and VGA cables into each of your computers. And with the remote switch, you can hide all the cabling away and keep everything looking neat and organized. If you need to switch between up to 4 computers with USB keyboards and VGA video, this is the perfect solution for you. It's the Ultra GammaView 4050 KVM switch. To get more info on the Ultra GammaView 4050 4-port KVM switch, go to tigerdirect.com and do a search for U12-40717.